Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume omega-3 fish oil. First, understand that omega-3 fatty acids are essential for your body's health, supporting everything from brain function to heart health. Fish oil supplements are a popular way to get these benefits, primarily providing EPA and DHA. When selecting a supplement, prioritize quality and purity from trusted brands to ensure you're getting the best product for your body. Determining the right dosage is key. Most adults aim for 250 to 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA each day, but individual needs vary. It's always wise to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns. To maximize absorption and minimize potential side effects, like a fishy aftertaste, try taking your fish oil supplement with a meal that contains some fat. Consuming fish oil doesn't have to be a chore. If you're sensitive to the taste, enteric-coated capsules are a great option as they dissolve in the intestine, not the stomach, preventing that common fishy aftertaste. Liquid fish oil can also be a good choice. Simply mix it into your morning smoothie or a cup of yogurt. Remember to store your fish oil in a cool, dark place, like the refrigerator, to keep it fresh and effective. Incorporating omega-3 fish oil into your routine offers numerous benefits, supporting your heart, brain, and joint health over time. For the best results, remember that supplements work hand in hand with a balanced diet rich in whole foods and consistent physical activity. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make healthy eating easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Consistency is crucial for experiencing the full advantages of omega-3 supplementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.